Hello, welcome to this edition of the Honey-Do List channel. Just a quick short video. Found something out and I thought everybody would like to see it. So let me show you what it is and then show you the progress. What we have here is a mailbox or plastic like on your truck that turns gray over time. So I learned this little trick and we're going to see if it works. Take a blowtorch or heat and you run it across the gate. You have to do it kind of fast because you don't want it to melt. Like I said, you want to go kind of fast because you definitely don't want it to melt. You kind of move along fast. Okay, so almost done here. I want to show you something. Turn this off. Okay, as you can see, it works. All right, and just so people can say, well, how long does it work? I don't know. I did this side of the mailbox a couple of weeks ago. So a couple of weeks, it's still shiny. And then I just did this side of the mailbox, which was gray in the beginning. This is the side I was working on. So it looks pretty good. And like I said, you know, it's lasted a couple weeks already. So, yep, a neat little thing that it is, you know, well, it works. And like I said, you know, it's lasted a couple weeks for me so far. So, you know, here we go. We're going to try it out. And if anything changes, I'll update this video. But other than that, until next time, let's work on them honey-do lists together and have a great day.